Hello everyone, my name is Jacob. You're welcome to this channel. You're welcome to GpexSkills Academy. Now, this channel is a place where you learn a skill, you learn how to earn from that skill, then you get inspired to keep earning from that skill until you attain financial freedom. The skills you're going to learn in this channel would either be some e-commerce skills like how to set up and run a profitable business. It could be some financial skills like how to trade the financial markets like the foreign exchange market, Forex and crypto markets. It could be some tech skills like the product design. It could even be some professional skills like some engineering skills. This is because at GpexSkills Academy, we strongly believe that your skill is your greatest asset. You learn it, you master it, and you let it create wealth for you. That is our motto. Your skill is your greatest asset. You learn it, you master it, and you let it create wealth for you. So that is why I created GpexSkills Academy, because of my passion about helping people like you gain practical skills that can help you make some extra income, irrespective of your discipline, irrespective of your age or your educational background or qualification. It really doesn't matter at all. For the past years, I have found myself helping a lot of individuals with different skills, different crash courses like e-commerce, importation, Forex and crypto trading, and some tech skills, all of which are from the hands-on experience which I've had over the years. And I found so much pleasure doing it. So I thought I should bring it down here on YouTube for everyone for easy access and most importantly for free. So I'll be keeping things very simple, practical, and fun. Here you'd find educational videos that break things down in a way that's very easy to understand. And for you to maximize the resources on this channel, I'd advise you click on the channel name, GpexSkills Academy, to open the channel. Then on the menu where you find home, videos, shorts, playlists, you click on the playlist. So there you find the list of different courses. Then from that list, you click on any of those courses that interest you to start your learning experience. I will not be stuck in just one topic. As the world evolves, as the world changes, so will the content on this channel, because my goal is to keep bringing you fresh, useful knowledge that can actually make a difference. So if you're seeing this video right now, it means you're ready to get a skill. It means you're ready to learn a skill, or it means you're ready to improve on the skill which you already have. But either way, GpexSkills Academy is here for you. So all you need to do is to hit the subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Okay. Also, I really love to hear from you. I would like you to drop a comment below and let us know what you are hoping to learn or any topic you'd like us to cover. Okay, so thank you very much for stopping by GpexSkills Academy. Remember, your skill is your greatest asset. You learn it, you master it, and you let it create wealth for you. Again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. See you in the next video. Bless.